Miami Low Challenger 251 Foxtrot Tango, passing 11,000, descending 8,000, heading 190.
Tango Miami approach information. Mike is current. Expect the RNAV runway 12 out of Paloca.
Roger, we have Mike, and we're maintaining heading 190, 1 Fox Tango.
So expect the RNAV 12, right?
Reduce speed to 190, then descend and maintain 4,000.
190, then 4,000.
Super wind 65, descend and maintain 3,000. Change runways, expect the visual approach, runway 10 left.
10 left, down to 3,000, silver wind 65.
And control Global 575, Bravo Gulf is with you, heading 280, 200 on the speed, 3,000 altitude, Juliet for Lauderdale.
I'll give you Jarno.
Sure.
And Arno is there.
November 57, 575, Bravo Gulf Miami approach, expect the visual approach, runway 10 right, turn right heading 290.
Right turn 290, looks like 10 right for 5 Bravo Gulf, thank you.
Crew belt set left.
Set right.
APU.
United 2188, reduce speed to 210.
Speed 210, United 2188.
Spirit winds 2887, contact for Lauderdale Tower 100.3.
93, good Spirit winds 2887.
November 5, Bravo Golf, turn right heading 360, then descend and maintain 2000.
360, then 2,000, and we do have a good side, thank you.
Yes.
And 80 on
November 5, Bravo Golf, Roger, you're going to square the turn to final, clear visual approach, runway 10 right.
Square the turn to final for the visual 10 right for 5 Bravo Gulf, thank you.
8,250 heading
Southwest 202, descend and maintain 3000.
Down to 3,000, Southwest 202.
United 2188, you're 10 miles from Hollywood, cross Hollywood at 5,000 or above, clear ILS, runway 10 left approach.
Generator is good.
10 left, now 2188.
Super wind 65, turn of heading 190.
That's 190, so wing 65.
And 5 Bravo Gulf, making the turn for the final.
November 5, Bravo Golf, Roger, 170 or better on to 5 mile final.
170 or greater for the 5 mile final for 5 Bravo Gulf, thank you.
November 1, Foxtrot Tango, turn right heading 240, vectors for weather, maintain 6,000.
All right, right turn 240, descending 6,000, 251 Fox Tango.
Super wind 65, turn right heading 120, clear visual approach, runway 10 left, 180 or better on the speed.
That's 120, 180 or better on the speed, clear the visual 10 left, sir, wing 65.
United 2188, reduce speed to 180.
Speed 180, United 2188.
And we're sat 13.
Yep.
NTS is not required.
November 5, Bravo Golf, contact for Lauderdale Tower 119.3.
93, 5 Bravo Gulf, take care.
Swapping bleeds.
Sure.
And approach checks complete.
Thank you.
United 2188, reduce speed to 170, and how's the right of the over Hollywood?
170, and spin spiking with fence, United 2188.
Right. Southwest 202, turn of heading 200.
200, Southwest 202.
Super wind 65, 170 or better on to 5 mile final, contact for Lauderdale Tower 119.3.
93, so wing 65.
Southwest 202, turn of heading 190.
190, Southwest 202.
Got a free car wash.
Yep.
Southwest 202, reduce speed to 170, and expect the turn to final about 3 miles.
Florida 170, Southwest 202.
Southwest 202, the Fort Lauderdale Airport is going to be at your 10 o'clock, 10 miles.
Inside 202.
Southwest 202, square the turn to final, clear visual approach, runway 10 left.
Square the turn, clear visual 10 left, Southwest 202.
Alright, FBO has been notified.
Thank you.
That's better.
Yep.
Challenger 1 Foxtrot Tango, traffic 12 o'clock, 7 miles, northbound, leveling at 5,000, Phenom.
Looking for traffic, 1 Fox Tango.
Southwest 202, reduce speed to 160, and contact for Lauderdale Tower 119.3.
160, switch tower, really nice job, Southwest 202.
Thanks, sir.
Did he say Lovely?
Yes.
Just crossed our altitude.
Yep. I see him. Right
Got
side
him.
high.
Nice, got him. Alright, it's already 1,000 above us. Or that was not it.
Maybe.
Challenger 1 Foxtrot Tango, you're over serve. You can rejoin the RNAV, sir.
You mean join the arrival?
I'm sorry, yeah, the arrival at sir.
Alright, direct sir, 251 Fox Tango.
That's Challenger 1 Foxtrot Tango. The next figure is BPAC. Can you go direct BPAC and rejoin the RNAV, descending maintain 4,000?
Alright, direct BPAC and joining the RNAV, descending 4,000, 251 Fox Tango.
Alright, direct feedback. We got it.
You got direct BPAC and then
Now
Warner.
engage, descending 4,000.
Under that.
Field sight there.
Challenger 1
Or is
Foxtrot
it? No,
Tango.
no, no.
Checking with the altitude, contact approach 128.6.
28.6 with the altitude, 251 Fox Tango, good day.
That's
North-
Lauderdale, that's North Perry.
Exactly.
So we're somewhere over there.
Miami approach hello, Challenger 251 Foxtrot Tango, and CUDA 3 descending 4,000.
251 Foxtrot Tango, roger, expect ILS rolling 12.
Expect ILS 12, 251 Fox Tango.
Gave you the ILS.
I can tell him it's in sight.
Where's it?
Just behind that.
Behind the stadium there.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, but let's see. We still have to cross Lauderdale. I don't think they're going to clear us from here.
Oh, he might give us a vector to closer or something. Also.
They have, yeah, they have someone on final.
Oh.
Let's see.
Challenger 1 Foxtrot Tango, turn left direct Jarno, descend to maintain 3,000.
3,000 direct Jarno, 251 Fox Tango.
Jarno, nav available.
Nav engaged.
Yeah, I got the airport.
Okay.
And 251 Fox Tango has the airport in sight.
Roger, November 1 Foxtrot Tango, expect the visual.
We'll expect the visual, 251 Fox Tango.
November 1 Foxtrot Tango, descend to maintain 2,000.
Descend 2,000, 1 Fox Tango.
2006.
If he's going to take us all the way there, we might lose visual, but
He's going to make us turn left in a minute.
well, if he does, then just keep east of these clouds there.
Yep.
Roughly Zigna, Hound.
November 1, Foxtrot Tango, clear visual approach runway 12.
Cleared visual 12, 251 Fox Tango.
All right, cleared for the visual.
Approach Gulf Stream 62 Fox 6,000, descending 5,000.
Gulfstream 62, Foxtrot, Miami approach, expect a visual to runway 12 at Opa-locka, information Mike, your turn.
Okay, slowing down 200 for Bravo.
November 2, Foxtrot, descend and maintain 4,000.
4,062
Fox.
600 feet below.
And can we get a small right deviation for 62 Fox for this weather?
Descending.
November 2, Foxtrot, approved edge request when able, direct jet C rejoin the arrival.
To enable direct jets be 62 Fox.
There are going to be pockets of light precipitation all the way to the field. Visibility looks good. I've got a Challenger inbound for the visual right now. If you stay on the arrival, it's just some light precip right now. Further northeast is some moderate to heavy precipitation.
Alright, copy. It looks like it should be just this little bit here and we should be good. 62 Fox.
Roger. Number 1, Foxtrot Tango, contact Opa-locka Tower 134.67, good day.
3467 U2, 1 Fox Tango. Opa-locka Tower, low Challenger 251 Foxtrot Tango, about 6 miles northwest, visual 12, Phantom Blue.
Foxtrot 563, turn left at the end. Remain this circuit 2 taxi via Tango 8. Have a good day.
At the end of you, Tango 8, Flex 563,
Number 251 Foxtrot Tango, Opa-locka Tower, runway 12, clear to land. Traffic, Galaxy Jet will be departing ahead of you.
Clear to land 12, 251 Fox Tango.
All right, clear to land.
Yep. Flaps 20.
Speed checks, flaps selected 20.
You're down.
Speed checks.
Tower
You're
gently.
down.
538, straight fuel.
Jetlink 538 Opa-locka Tower, turn left heading 090,
Flaps 20.
runway 12 at Tango 1, clear for takeoff. Traffic 4 mile finals at Challenger, no delay please.
Alright, no delay, clear for takeoff, runway
Quick
12, left turn heading 090.
Flaps full.
538.
Speed checks, flaps selected full. Yeah. Going over on that Galaxy, you just gave him.
Yeah.
He did not expect you to do it that efficiently. All right, 3 green, flaps 30.
Confirmed.
And we're clear to land, all lights are on.
Yep.
He's on the roll.
Watch out.
Jetlink 538, contact Miami departure, have a good day. Alright, see you, thanks.
All right, ref plus 10.
Yep.
November is current, altimeter 2993, wind cup.
Palm winds.
500.
Ref plus 7. Looking good. $100. 50. 40. Crossing at
30.
ref.
20. 10.
Nice. Boards are out.
Yep.
Reversers deployed. 90 knots.
Alright, your controls.
60 knots. My controls.
November 1 Foxtrot Tango, safe parking.
Fountain Blue will vacate at the end.
For 1 Foxtrot Tango, turn left at the end, remain this frequency taxi via Tango 8, good day.
At the end, Tango 8, your frequency 1 Fox Tango, thank you.
Alright, straight to parking this frequency
Yes.
after landing checks, please.
After landing. After landing checklist. Popes off, anti-ice off, flaps coming up, exterior lights set, and taxi light off.
Thank you.
It's probably gonna be that guy.
Yeah. Good. He doesn't take us under the canopy. Alright, just watch our right wing, please.
Yes. All good.
You said taxi light is off, right? Okay. Parking brake, nose wheel steering, anti-ice gust lock, engines, lights. What's for lunch?